Hey guys, it's your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. I just web swung my way to Rome, and behind me is the one and only, the Colosseum.
Check this out, it's Slayer Live. Over 2,000 years old, built back in 80 AD. Imagine this.
Fun fact, the word arena actually means sand in Latin, because they covered the floor with sand to soak up, gladiator stuff. Ew. Note to self, no web swinging inside. These walls are ancient, and I really don't want to be the guy who broke the Colosseum.
You know what's wild? This place could hold almost 80,000 people.
Anyway, Rome, you have been amazing. The Colosseum is legendary, and I did not even have to fight a lion today.
So that's a win. Now, time to grab some pizza before I swing back to New York. Whoa, wait a second. Hold up. Is that me? No, that's Black Spidey doing his own vlog.
Cooler neighborhood Spider-Man? Really? Dude, we're supposed to fight villains, not for YouTube subscribers.
Hey, views matter, man. Gladiators had fans, we got followers.
Yeah. Okay, fine, like his video too. But don't forget, Seslev, I'm the original friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
And I'm the stylish one.
Okay guys, see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye.